All right. Thank you. All right. The court is calling 2025 CR 015168 State versus Rosalyn Torres. Can I have parties announced?
Ready for the state?
Jose Rocha from Store is ready, Your Honor.
And are you Ms. Torres?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Torres, you have a right to appear in person. Did you review the document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video Conference with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
And Attorney Rocha, did you electronically sign it as well?
Yes, he did, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily consented to appear by video conference. Ms. Torres, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Ms. Torres, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with fraudulent use of possession of identifying information less than 5 items as a state jail felony?
Yes.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or is the state will call silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
You broke out. I'm sorry.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court grants your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication is revoked? The court can find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do believe so.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Torres, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at $1,000 fine probated. State recommends deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 PF 36626, 2025 AL 012439, and there's to be restitution payable in the instant case to the complainants. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is the plea, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution. There's to be no contact with Alexis Smith, the felony theft course in MRT. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Judge, you have to take exhibit number 1 and all attachments.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor. Please.
All right, so the first question I have with regards to restitution, from reading through it, it appears that the check wasn't, no funds were given in exchange for the check.
I thought I read that they were.
I could be reading it incorrectly, but what it says is, let me see. They placed there was a stop payment on the check. Because it said attempted to cash a fraudulent check.
That the check was made out to was made whole, and the bank was the one that had to cover the fund.
Okay. If you all can check,
Yes.
and I will read again.
Yes, Judge, that's our understanding from the notes. It appears that check cashing location, PSL Financial was the one that was that lawful funds.
Okay. So, all right, let me just read. All right, I see where it says, counsel, in the notes, I see where it says, not in the notes, but in the police report, it says that it had been cashed at one of their locations. And then the company, once they gave funds to your client, then that company sent the check to the bank. And then the bank said, stop payment for it. So the people who are owed the money is the PLS Check Cashers of Texas.
PSL Financial.
Okay.
PLS or PSL?
PLS Check Cashers of Texas, Inc. And I'm just trying to find the specific amount.
I believe the amount of the check was $15.09 and 59 cents.
Okay, you say 1509.
$15.09 and 59 cents.
All right, counsel, are you in agreement that the restitution that's owed is $1,509.59?
Yes, Your Honor. That was our understanding. We were when we were discussing this matter because of the controversy that we're discussing right now. It was the understanding of the district attorney's office that the restitution amount was to be determined after after today. However, yes, that we do agree with that amount.
All right, so just give me a moment. This is what the court will do. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment. When are you due?
In it's supposed to be March 31st, but I'm already dieted, so there, it's a gamble.
All right, so it's gonna be, proof of employment within, 90 days of medical release.
Okay. And then I have a question. Um, I do work for home care providing, so I don't know,
I
is
don't
that
allow,
gonna, is that gonna reflect on my work? Because that's the only job that is helpful that's the only job that works with me. I have 7 kids. I'm about to have 8. So that's the only one that is more compatible with my hourly and stuff on picking them up. Like that's the only boss that I can find that's understanding.
well, this is what I can tell you. I don't allow people in my court to work as home healthcare provider. The only exception I will even, give, to allow that is if there is a letter from the employer that shows, that states that they know what you're charged with, and
Okay.
whomever you're caring for, they have to, provide a letter saying that they know what you're charged with.
Okay.
So there's the restitution to, PLS, Check Cashers of Texas, Inc. And the amount of $1,509.59. Take into consideration 2025 PF 36626, 2025 AL 012439, 100 hours of community service restitution. You okay, Cindy? Okay, so 100 hours community service restitution. I'm already parenting. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Alexis, Alexis Smith. And I'll order all right, does she need the felony theft course?
Judge, one of the cases being TIC is theft.
All right, felony theft course. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else?
I received 2 different names for the restitution. Can you just verify who the restitution is going to, please?
It is P as in Paul, L as in Lane, S as in Stephanie, Check Cashers of Texas, INC.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nothing else, Judge.
Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? Do you need anything else from the court?
Your Honor, just for clarification purposes, will the 90 days also apply for all the other requirements for probation after she's been discharged? I just don't want to make sure that she's not set up to fail.
Oh, what she'll need to do, she'll need to provide a medical, documentation from probation if she's not able to do this. And I will tell you, in this court, probation is understanding. They know she's about to give birth. And if there's an issue, counsel, you can come in and discuss it with the court.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. I just wanted to make sure that she understood that and we were clear on that end.
And then Vashon, she's only allowed to work with home health care, and I'll only consider it if she provides, documentation from her employer, that they are aware of this charge, and for whomever she's providing the services to. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand and electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, in this court, communication is key when you're on probation. Let probation know if there's an issue.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'm going to send you and your attorney to breakout room number 2. Probation will come in that room and speak with you.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Your,
welcome.
Your Honor, after I've been sent to the breakout room, may I be excused?
Yes, you can be excused from that room.
Me, can I be excused?
Yes, that's what I said. I'm so sorry.
No worries, Your Honor. Thank you.
Whoever she's
Rosalyn
providing the
Torres par
services to.
fraudulent use of identifying information could charge the court ne usay detailed admonishments diye du saal tak jail ka risk $10,000 fine ka possibility. Lekin सबसे dramatic twist tab aaya
All
jab
right, did you review the
restitution
document
amount
entitled Trial
per
Court
confusion
Certification
hua.
of Defendant's
Judge ne
Rights to
khud
Appeal
police
with your
report
attorney?
read
Did you
karke
understand
clarify
and
kiya ke
electronically sign it?
PLS Check
Yes, ma'am.
Cashers go
All right, because this is plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea
$1,595.59
bargain agreement,
dene
because you
honge.
waive your right to appeal, you do not have
Phir
the
एक
court's
emotional
permission
moment.
to appeal.
Rosalyn ne bataya कि वो
All
साथ
right, in
बच्चों
this
की
court,
माँ है.
communication is key
8th
when
on
you're
the
on
way.
probation. Let
Our sirf
probation know if
home
there's an
healthcare job ही
issue.
manage कर सकती है.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank
judge
you. I
ne strict
appreciate it.
stance liya.
You're welcome.
I
I'm gonna
don't
send
allow
you and
people
your
in my
attorney
court to
breakout
work as
room
home
number 2.
healthcare
Probation
provider.
will come in that room and
Sirf
speak with
special
you.
documentation
Okay, thank you.
के साथ
You're welcome.
exception.
Your Honor, after I've
And
been
10
sent to
saal
the
deferred
breakout room, may I be
adjudication,
excused?
100 community
you can be
hours
excused from that room.
restitution are strict
Me,
probation
can I be
conditions.
excused?
Ye case legal
that's what I
pressure
said.
plus
I'm so
motherhood
sorry.
struggle ka
No
powerful
worries, Your
combo
Honor.
tha.
Thank you.